Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's go to Google Pay. Tap a blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap save and it's done. Now let's go back and go to gift card. Similarly to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. In the end, let's select public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the insight form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.